All right, let's get started baking the sweet potato black bean quesadillas. You're gonna start with the sweet potato. You're gonna need a can of black beans, some cheddar style shredded cheese, some vegan sour cream, and some flour tortillas. Gonna clean and peel the sweet potato, chop it all up. Gonna boil it in some water. And the way that you know that they're done is you're going to try and just gently poke them with a spoon or fork, and if it goes through easily and they're soft, then they're done. Next, we're going to rinse off the black beans to help remove some of the phytic acid. This will also help reduce the amount of gas that they give you, and you can have them raw or cook them over medium-high heat in water for about 20 minutes. So when the sweet potatoes are done, you're going to strain them and mash them all up. Okay, so now it's assembly time. You're going to add the cheese first, as much or as little as you would like. It's basically going to help the whole thing stay together once it melts. And on top of that, I like to add the sweet potato, some black beans on top of that, and a little more cheese before adding the other tortilla. And once the cheese melts, it'll help it stick together and make it nice and gooey. Pop it in the oven or a frying pan or a microwave for just a little bit, just until the cheese melts, and you're done. So this is the final product. I've got some sour cream and salsa off to the side for dipping sauces, and it's pretty good. I really hope you get a chance to try it. It's really delicious and very filling.